Hello guys, today we're going to be exploring the Chester Creek Trail in Anchorage, Alaska.
So I'm out for a walk today. I'm on the Chester Creek Trail in Anchorage. Beautiful spring day, probably about 60 degrees. And we're gonna be going by Westchester Lagoon. I walk here so many times out of the year. I probably walk here 4 to 5 times a week, maybe more. But it's very nice in the spring. In the winter it's very icy and cold, but right now it's warm. T-shirt weather. If I was a tourist to Anchorage, I would be really happy to find this place. The green space and trails in this city, while it's lacking other infrastructure and things to do, has really good green spaces and trails. Generally safe too. You might have to worry about moves. Sometimes crazy people. Bears at the end of the trail are not too bad. The other end, about 11 miles from here, there's a lot more to worry about bears and black bears. That's a great place to go cycling. If you go for a run, people rollerblade out here. Another popular activity at Westchester is to go spotting birds. There's a lot of waterfowl and birds that migrate thousands of miles to get here for their nesting grounds.
Today was a beautiful day, so there were many people out walking trying to enjoy the limited Alaskan summertime. We're looking out over Westchester Lagoon towards the mountains. Such a great view. This is the outflow to the Westchester Lagoon towards the Cook Inlet. When the salmon are running, you can actually see them right here on this observation deck.